Guys, let me show you the newest and quickest way to live stream on the YouTube app to get your 4,000 watch hour and also subscriber. Yes, you heard me. You don't need any other app. All you need is your YouTube mobile app. Okay, so we are going to go straight into the video. We'll just go straight and click on the YouTube app. Okay, we'll allow the YouTube app to open, but before then, let me introduce myself. My name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial videos on YouTube growth and also AI tutorials. If that's the kind of content that you like or you love, do well to subscribe so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a good video like this. You don't want to miss out. Okay, so let's just go straight into the video. So this is your mobile app, your YouTube app. So all you need to do, you see this plus sign down here, just go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, first thing first you need to do, you must make sure you already have your thumbnail. Okay, if you don't know how to create a thumbnail for your silent live stream, let me know in the comment section, and in my next video I'm going to create it for you. So all you need to do here is just for you to come over here. Okay, you click on that pen icon, then the next thing, you need to upload a thumbnail. Okay, so that's why I say before you start this process, you must already have your thumbnail. You must have created your thumbnail already. Okay, and also you are supposed to have a picture that you want to use for the silent live stream. Okay, apart from the thumbnail you have already created, you still need a picture that you're going to use for the silent live stream. Okay, it can be a picture of yourself, it can be a picture of a flower, it can be a picture of anything beautiful, it can be a picture of a riddles and joke, or a picture of IQ test, and so on and so forth. So let me upload my thumbnail. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon. So I'll click on upload thumbnail. I'll go to my gallery. So this is my thumbnail. Okay, so I'll just put it to fit in. Okay, I think this is okay like this, and I'll click on save. Okay, so over here, just come here and type in the title of your, so I'll just type in capital letter silent live stream. Okay, so over here, visibility, make sure you put it in public, don't forget. Okay, so I think that's all for this. Okay, then your description. Okay, you can go ahead, just, my own is on automatic already. This is what I uploaded as my description. Okay, so you can leave it like that, but if yours doesn't have anything, you can decide to type in silent live stream. Okay, so once you do that, the next you click on next. Okay, no, it's not meant for kids. Okay, so the next you click on go live. Okay, so we'll allow it to go live. Okay, so once it goes live like this, the next thing you just need to click on, you click on this arrow you see here. So you see here they say mute, go ahead and click on it to mute your mic. Okay, then the next thing, you see this place, you see green screen, go ahead, click on it, and once you click on it, it will bring you to this place. Okay, green screen is going to come up like this. Then I'll look for my picture, I'll click on the picture. Okay, so this is the IQ test I did, so I'll click on done. So once I do this, the next thing I need to do, I need to just face my camera up. Okay, so this is the way it's going to appear for people. Okay, so all I need to do is just to face my camera up, so whenever people come here, they will just see it. You make sure that you don't put it in a way that your head will be distracting, or your face. You can see my face is actually covering the stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'll face my camera up like this. Okay, where I have nothing showing, something like this. So I'll just go and place it somewhere, okay, that I'm sure that nothing will be showing or distracting it. Okay, so That is just that. Okay, this is just the way you can do it. Then you leave it, people will come in and they will comment. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, so at this point we have come to the end of this video. If you gained value, please do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Okay, subscribe, share my video. Thank you as you do so. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.